Have you ever grown strawberries and mint in the same garden bed? Well, I have, and every day when I go out to harvest my strawberries, I can smell that mint aroma in the air. And all spring, all I have thought about is creating some type of a strawberry mint ice cream. And guys, I have done it. I came up with a great, well, I didn't come up with it. ChatGPT gave me a great recipe. I have added the recipe out on our website, secondmilejourney.com. I'm going to show you exactly the steps that it took to create this ice cream. And this week I am actually house and dog sitting for my parents. I'm here at their house, and luckily, because they have all of the different kitchen gadgets, way more than what I have. So they actually have an ice cream maker here. So I made this ice cream in their ice cream maker, and it was excellent. And when I looked this same ice cream maker up, it's only 65 bucks on Amazon. So I may just have to break down and get myself one pretty soon, but I'm going to link that as well. I do have everything over on the website. I'll include all the links in the description, but I want you to see how this turned out, how simple it was. And it's actually very low in sugar compared to the rest of the ingredients. It comes out to 8 cups total, and it only takes a cup, 1 cup of sugar out of those 8 cups. So it's a lot of fresh fruit, fresh strawberries, fresh mint, and it's so good. As you'll see here at the end when Art does a taste test, it was a little minty to him because he doesn't care for mint flavored things, but I love mint flavored things. So to me, it was excellent. It tastes so clean and light on the sugar. And I think it's going to be one that I wind up making a lot. And I'm going to start playing around with the recipe and try it with like almond milk or coconut milk or something, and try to make a dairy-free option and just kind of play around with it like that. And then I bet you could probably substitute the sugar for stevia or something as well. So anyway, there's a lot of things that we could probably do differently with this recipe. I want to go ahead and get this shared with you guys. Strawberry mint.
Strawberry mint made from the contents of our garden, right?
Yes. Is it
It's
good?
very minty.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, give me a bite. Let me see. That's good.
It's minty.
I like it.
It's good.
It is, but I mean, like, you know, mint chocolate chip ice cream, but like with a strawberry flavor.
I definitely can taste the strawberries.
You can taste the strawberries? Yeah.
I can taste the mint.
Yeah, me too. I can taste both. It's perfect.
So,
I like that recipe.
Good. Okay. And this is the recipe you got to make this?
What were you going to say? So,
did it call for, like, I'm not a big mint guy. So to me, the mint is really strong. And it's supposed to be, but it's very, I mean, it tastes great. It's like Brahms.
Yep. I like
Good job.
If you're looking for mint plants, and if you live in the Tulsa, Oklahoma area, I have a bunch for sale. So just let me know if you are in the market for some mint plants. I've got spearmint and peppermint. Remember to go the second mile today for someone in your life and with your resources. And thanks for watching.